In the late 1800s, the world was captivated by the enigma of prehistoric life. Amidst the vast, untamed landscapes of the American West, a remarkable discovery was about to be made. In the summer of 1902, paleontologist John Bell Hitchcock and his team unearthed the first known Tyrannosaurus Rex fossils near the banks of the Tongue River in Montana. The find was a turning point in the field of paleontology, as the Tyrannosaurus Rex was a species previously unknown to science. Hitchcock, a man of great ambition and determination, had been searching for the elusive monster reptile for years. His perseverance paid off when he stumbled upon a set of fossilized footprints, a clue that led him to the discovery of the T-Rex skeleton. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, with its massive size and terrifying teeth, was an immediate sensation. Its discovery sparked a new era in paleontology, fueling the public's fascination with the prehistoric world and the mysteries it held. The T-Rex's discovery was not without controversy, however. Some scientists doubted its validity, arguing that the fossils were actually those of a giant bird or a lizard. But Hitchcock's findings were eventually validated, and the Tyrannosaurus Rex became a cornerstone of the dinosaur age. The T-Rex's reign at the top of the food chain was established, its image forever etched in the minds of people worldwide. Its discovery opened up a window into the past, offering a glimpse into a world of immense predators and extraordinary evolution. Today, the Tyrannosaurus Rex stands as a symbol of the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the untamed beauty of the prehistoric world. Its legacy continues to inspire awe and fascination, reminding us of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the Earth's crust. From the dusty plains of Montana to the classrooms of the world, the Tyrannosaurus Rex remains a beacon of our past, a testament to the power of human curiosity, and a reminder of the endless quest to uncover the secrets of the universe.